place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Alright guys, so we are finally moving out of our home in Ithaca, and everything, like the entire house, as you guys can see, is empty. It's echoing. Half of our stuff is in the car. Half of our stuff is in the car. So we used to have like an entire bed over here. We took the bed frame, which is gonna go into the new house. Mattress abhi yahan pe hai. And this is just a YouTube studio now, not Karan's lounge. जो यार रात को use करते थे. We're gonna go to New York City. Karan's gonna move in, and I am going to Jersey City, New York City, same thing. And then I'm going somewhere else, which is gonna be in the next video that I'm gonna show you guys. Today, the car that we got to drive is this Subaru, and let me show you guys how the trunk looks. It's completely packed. पूरे suitcases, सारा सामान. पूरा ऊपर तक. एक chair, mattress actually we're getting like over there, but यहाँ पे ऊपर तक पूरा सामान है. Current stuff, and then नए घर का सामान. Subaru car. 4 hours drive, and हम लोग इथिका छोड़ रहे हैं. करण थोड़ा परमानेंटली, मैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए. बाय बाय इथिका, बाय बाय अपनी गाड़ी वहाँ पे. रिसेट हो, ठीक है. 4 घंटे. अभी तक लोगों ने गेस कर लिया होगा हमने कहाँ घर लिया है. टेक्निकली जो हमने घर टूर्स करे थे वो तो नहीं लिए हैं, बट उसके अराउंड लिया है. तो अगर लाइक क्लोजेस्ट गेस्ट भी जो करेगा वो आई थिंक करेक्ट होगा.
हमने खुद नहीं देखा.
हाँ. And 6 p.m. and we are here. This is our building. It's in Jersey City. ये सब कुछ quiet है, but I'll show you guys like everything that's around once we move in. This is our lounge. काफी छोटा cute सा है. Then elevators to the top, then front desk. Cute set. Kitchen, living room, and our bedroom. Bedroom की windows अच्छी है, but bedroom में कोई light नहीं है. And I don't think हम lamp लेके आए. और ये आपका closet. Closet तो काफी बड़ा है. Wow. I think internet. Okay. We have a special welcome from the entire society. A nice little mug. Keychain भी दी है. Welcome home, Saloni and Karan. I think सबसे best चीज़ इस पूरे apartment की मेरे को ये लगती है. The fact that I think it's here. There, washer dryer in unit, which is very rare to find. What's this? Some more closet space.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all. I made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.